Hey guys, I'm Carol and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how I did this rainbow eye look. So without further ado, let's get started with the video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. I have already done my base, so I'll begin by filling my eyebrows using the Maybelline's Nudes eyeshadow palette. So to fill my eyebrows, I'll be using the angled brow brush and I'll be using the black shade from the Maybelline Nude eyeshadow palette, and I'll begin by filling my eyebrows. Now I'll use the dark brown shade from the same palette. And now I'll use the light brown shade. So you basically need to go from dark to light as you move towards the inside. Now I'm using the eyebrow comb to just comb my eyebrows so that it looks even. To conceal my eyebrows, I'll be using the concealer brush and the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. And I'll just outline my eyebrows. I'll mention all the product details in the description below in case you want to check it out. Now with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'll use a bigger fluffy angled brush and I'll use the same Fit Me concealer. And I'll apply the concealer all over my eyelids and I'll blend it out really well. Now to set my base, I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder with the help of a powder brush. Now for the eyeshadow, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Hilary Rhoda 02 eyeshadow palette. And to apply it, I'll be using an angled eyeshadow brush. First I'll use the red shade from this palette and I'll apply it towards the inner corner of my eyelid. Now I'll be using the peachish orange shade from this palette and I'll apply it right next to the red shade. Now I'll be using the yellow shade and I'll apply it right next to the orange shade. Now I'm using the light green shade from the same palette and applying it just next to the yellow shade. Now I'm using a bluish green shade just next to the light green shade. Now I'm using the light blue shade and applying it just next to the previous shade. Now I'm using the violet shade and I'm applying it just next to the blue. Now you need to repeat the same color below your waterline. I'll be right back after I finish the other eye off camera. Now for the liner, I'll be using the Lakme Insta liner. Now I'll be doing a small simple wing using the eyeliner. Now I'll do a small triangle near the inner corner of the eye to give that fox eye look. Now I'll be using the Maybelline New York Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner on my waterline using a flat brush. And now for mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments below what you want to see in my next video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at @Carol__Alisha, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.